All right, New tonight, we're taking you back to where the devastation all started in Kerr County as President Trump visited the area alongside Governor Greg Abbott. ABC's Jason Lee embedded with current and former Navy SEALs that are assisting with the search and recovery efforts. She joins us.
Search and rescue efforts continue following devastating flooding across Texas last week. Thousands of people painstakingly searching for those who remain missing. We embedded with active duty and former Navy SEALs, volunteering their expertise navigating difficult terrain in the Guadalupe River.
When you saw all of this for the first time, what was going through your head?
I mean, I think I can speak for everybody that was here because none of us have seen anything like this, but I think everybody, for the first 30 minutes or so, everything was quiet between us. I think everybody was just taking it in and just realizing what just happened here.
Due to the visibility issue here in the water, divers using feel and smell in the recovery process.
The SEALs partnering with 300 Justice Road, a local nonprofit dedicating to providing resources to communities in need. Volunteers providing more than 1,000 meals a day to first responders and volunteers outside Camp Mystic.
We've all been through it with Harvey, and it feels great to be out here helping people. Have run through every emotion of the roller coaster this week.
On Friday, President Trump and First Lady Melania visiting the disaster zone.
I've gone to a lot of hurricanes, a lot of tornadoes. I've never seen anything like this.
When asked about those who claimed warning alerts that could have saved more lives didn't go out in time, he had this response.
Well, I think everyone did an incredible job under the circumstances. This was, I guess Christie said, a 1 in 500, 1 in 1,000 years.
President Trump also emphasized the state's response over that of the federal government, saying they'll figure something out. Officials say the cleanup could take months. Jacqueline Lee, ABC News, Kerr County, Texas.
And we partner with our fellow Tegna TV stations across Texas to help raise money for eligible local nonprofit organizations that are providing support to flood victims. So far, you've helped us raise more than $350,000. You can scan that QR code and still make a donation right now.